This is a very powerful affiliate marketing angle out there. I've seen quite a few marketers using this angle as well. And for me personally, it has been fantastic. The result has been awesome. And I'll advise you to pay close attention here and seek to understand how the bonus angle works. Once you can get everything about angles right, trust me, you're going to be making tens of thousands of dollars month after month from affiliate marketing. Now, you'll be wondering, what is a bonus angle? This type, unlike the attribute angle, you're not talking about the product. Your focus is not in what you are promoting. You're going to make your promotion centered on the bonuses you are offering for that particular promo. Okay, let me do a recap. Under the bonus angle, this time it's not about the product you're promoting. Fine, the product might be good, but your focus is not about the product. Your focus is about the bonuses you are offering your subscribers when they buy the product through you. So it's more like the bonus is at the front, the product is behind. So you build your promotional content focused on your bonuses. I'll show you some examples so you can understand how this angle works. Here's the title of this email. The biggest exchange of value? Claim my 29 new bonus apps, plus auto social now. Again, you can see from the subject of this email, I have started utilizing the bonus angle. Previously, you saw subject lines that talked about getting free leads from social media, what the product does, etc. But this time, the subject of my email was focused on the bonuses. Then I added plus the name of the product I'm promoting. So I said, Happy Sunday, greetings to you. Here's the unbeatable offer of the day, and it's considered the biggest exchange of value in our space today. Anyway, I'm going to leave that judgment to you by the time you finish going through the 29 powerful and 100% custom software bonuses. Right here you can see the emphasis on this email is the bonuses for this promotion. I am offering anyone who is going to pick up the tested and proven auto social through this email. So you see the bonus is at the front and the product I'm promoting is behind. Before I go on to the biggest giveaway of the week, let's quickly talk about the reason for this massive bonus splash. Now you can see the positioning. The interest is about my bonus. Then you tell them, why am I giving out these massive bonuses? It's because of a product that is launching that I want you to pick up. That is why I'm giving you all of these bonuses completely for free. So right here I talked about the product, and I went back to my bonuses just here. I said, here are the 29 powerful and custom bonuses I am giving away today. Click here to see the full list. When they click on it, it takes them to my bonus page. So the idea for the bonus angle is to focus your emphasis on the bonuses you are offering your subscribers when they pick up the product you are promoting that day through your link. I hope this is very clear. Okay, let's see the next example to further buttress my point. The subject says, hot, 48 hours access to my influencer app plus e-com app launching in January. I've seen quite a few marketers using this angle too. It's very, very powerful. In this angle, you tell your subscribers, for me, I've been a consistent marketer for some few years, so my subscribers know I launch products. So you tell them, hey guys, how would you love an opportunity to get the product I'm launching next month as a compliment when you pick up XYZ product that is launching today? Hey guys, let me tell you something. In this training for this strategy, it's important you include a demo of the product you are promising your subscribers when it's finally launched. When they buy the affiliate product you are promoting, because things are being judged the way they appear. It's when they see a demo of the product. That's when they will respond very well to your promotion. So I said, Welcome to another great day. Today, I have an obviously massive value for you. Before I break the big news, kindly bear in mind that this is valid only for the next 48 hours, after which I bring down the offer. Oh yes! This is an offer you are going to love because this is something sensitive and selfless that I have never done before. Let's get in. Firstly, I'm giving you a free white label download to a never-launched-before e-com dropshipping tool that enables users to search and import products from affiliate stores like eBay, Amazon, and AliExpress into their Shopify store, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce for a complete autopilot profiting, worth over $350. It doesn't stop there. Now you can see the first thing I'm doing, I'm telling them about a product I'm launching soon. I'll give them the demo, and I'll give them a link to see how powerful the product is. So that when they buy the product, I'm promoting they will get an access to the bonus app before it is officially launched. Okay, secondly, this is an unannounced giveaway that is also valid for the next 48 hours only. I'm giving away a few white label licenses of an influencer marketing app that was launched in September and sold over 2,000 copies. So the bottom line is, when they get the product you are promoting, they get access to the product you are about to launch for free. And I mean full access, but there's a catch. So like I said previously, in the bonus angle, the bonuses you are offering are at the front, while the product is behind. That is exactly the same thing I did here, as you can see. I spoke highly about the product, then I said, but there is a catch. It is at this point you now introduce the product that they are meant to buy. Two of my most respected friends are launching their brand new software called Design Pro 2.0 today at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am very excited and particular about this tool because when it comes to creating and editing graphics, there's a few features that set the new Design Pro 2.0 apart from the others. You can now talk about the product, but the emphasis is on the bonuses. Okay, some of you may ask, I don't have any product that I'm about to launch, so how can I use this angle? That's fine and good. It's very simple. There are several PLR websites on the internet, and these websites offer software collections as well. All you need to do is simply sign up on any of them and get access to their software products, or you can leverage the resources section of this program. There are over 200 custom apps in the custom bonus library. So you can go there, pick any of them, and use this soon-to-be-launched bonus angle. For me, it's marketing. I don't see it being unethical. So you can simply use any of those apps. What matters is positioning. What you are offering them is valuable, and most importantly, you're going to fulfill your promise in return when they buy through your link. You can pick any of these apps. Do a demo video of the product so you can show them in the demo that, hey, this is what the product does. This is what it's all about. So when you pick product XYZ at 10 a.m. today, you're going to get this powerful software completely free of charge. Okay, this is everything you need to understand about the bonus angle, and I hope it made sense to you. Trust me, if you can understand these angles I have taught you today, you won't spend 3 hours trying to write an email. You won't be thinking of ideas to promote products with, and most importantly, you'll be making tens of thousands of dollars month after month. Remember, these angles are all tested and proven by me. They have worked for me, and they have generated tons of profit for me. So I'm done with this section. I'm going to do a recap of all these angles once again. The first one is the proof or result-based angle. I said to use this angle, you need to build your promotion around the proof or result displayed on the JV page or the sales page of the product by the vendor. So you build your campaign around the result from beta testers, early adopters, around the result the vendor got or achieved with the product. I gave examples earlier. So you can say, new app X made 2K on complete autopilot. New app helps you to build your list for free on Facebook. Now the key point here is proof or result. Ensure you add a proof in your email. It's either you link to the sales page where all the proofs are contained, or you're linking to an image you grabbed from the sales page. I hope this is very clear. The second angle is the product angle, aka the tested and proven angle. The product angle is all about you positioning the offer to say, hey, I got access to this product, I used it, and I got a remarkable result with it. So it's more like telling them, hey, I'm not telling you to go and buy a tool I have not used. Of course, I know you have trust in me, and that is why I always work my ass off to test all the products before I recommend to you. I have personally tested the product, and it's proven. Quickly, go and pick this up today, okay? That's about the product angle. The promotion is all about telling your subscribers, I have gotten access to this product, I have used it, and it works. The third angle is the personal angle. I told you previously that the personal angle is all about building your promotion around the vendor of that product you are recommending. The personal angle is direct. The focus of your promotional email for that offer should be centered around the vendor of the product. You can tell your subscribers, hey guys, there's a product launching today by a top guy in the marketplace who has been online for about 12 years. Trust me, you can go out there and you won't see a single negative review about him because of his good ethics. He doesn't promote a product that doesn't work, nor does he create products that don't work. He is one of the very few guys out there that I respect, and of course, he offers incredible support to his customers. So when you pick up XYZ product today, you're not going to be stuck at any point. Even if you are stuck, you can reach out to him and he will support you. So that is exactly how the personal angle works. You build your promotion around the vendor of the product, and you speak positively and highly of him too. The next angle is the make money angle. The make money angle is also a very straightforward angle. When you're using this angle, you tell your subscribers, hey, there's a product launching today that is going to help you make money online. Also, when you're using the make money angle, try to stick around the proofs or the claim on the sales page. That way you can use it in your subject. New app helps you to rake $200 working 15 minutes daily. So it's about you telling your subscribers how much they can generate with the product you're promoting. Let me give you a typical example about this. Hello, friend. Wow, today is very exciting because so many products that was launched last week that helps you to automate XYZ stuff, this product was solely developed to help you make money online. So it's all about focusing on using the product to make money, and ensure you include proofs of income generated with the product you're recommending to them. The next angle is the done-for-you bonus angle. One thing you need to know, for this angle to work very well, the bonus has to be very complementary to the offer. I'll give you 2 case studies. Repetition is the mother of retention, and I really want you to understand this. For the done-for-you angle, like I showed you with the Moto theme, the Moto theme is a WordPress theme that enables people to build websites using drag-and-drop theme. So the creator of the product said the theme enables people to build just any kind of website. So I thought about it. If my subscribers can build websites, that means they can start using this tool to make money by building websites for people. I quickly offered them a done-for-you bonus. And what is that bonus? A done-for-you website design agency business. It's very complimentary if you are buying MotoTheme that will help you design websites. Why not get an agency website that will help you get customers for what MotoThemes will help you do? Okay, it's complimentary. I told them when you buy MotoTheme, through my link, which is for creating all kinds of websites, I'm going to give you a fully built, done-for-you web design marketing agency website where people can go to learn about your web design marketing service and the prices you charge. I'm going to give you proposals you can send to your target audience online and offline. I'm going to give you explainer videos that talk about the importance and benefits of having a website. Okay, another example is for the product Affiliate Hub. Affiliate Hub was launched sometime last year. It's a WordPress plugin that enables people to build affiliate websites on the internet. Again, I understand that my subscribers, a lot of them are not technical. So if they buy Affiliate Hub, they might end up getting stuck. So I told them, hey guys, Affiliate Hub is a nice product. It works very well. But again, how many of you can be able to use WordPress to build an affiliate store? In your interest, I'm offering you a fully done-for-you WordPress marketing store. All you need to do is to buy Affiliate Hub, send me the link to the plugin and your website information. I'll use this plugin you purchased to set up your own profitable affiliate store. Can you see how the done-for-you angle is complementary to the offer? It works very well because you're saving your subscribers time. Now, the sixth angle is the business opportunity angle. In this angle, you simply tell your subscribers, hey guys, there's a new product launching today. This product will help you create a new stream of income. Sometimes in my promotional content, I do tell my subscribers, personally, I don't rely on one stream of income. I believe in multiple streams of income. So I want my subscribers to do the same thing. So when you buy product XYZ today, it will create a new source of income in the niche that the product belongs to. So, I've showed you guys an example in the graphics niche. You simply tell them that if they get a particular graphics design tool, they can start designing graphics for people online, offline, whatsoever, and start making money from graphics design as a side income. So it's about positioning an offer that it will help them create a new online business and add it to whatever they are doing currently. The second to last is the attribute angle. In the attribute angle, you just have to pick up the spectacular feature of the product. Whenever I'm using the attribute angle, all I do is to ask the vendor of the product, hello Frank, please, how is your product different from the others out there? The response of the vendor is what I use to write my promotional email. So attribute angle is all about you focusing on the best feature or the most spectacular feature of a particular product, so your promotion can be centered around it. The last one is the bonus angle. The bonus angle is about placing emphasis on the bonuses you are giving to your subscribers when they buy a particular product through your link. I hope this is very clear. See you in the next session.